Good morning, everybody, and happy Tuesday. It is 7:30 in the morning right now, and I thought to myself, let's film a what I eat in the day video. I actually just woke up, not that you could tell by this hair or anything, fed the dog, took a body shower. This hair, we're gonna fix it up, don't you worry. And I am about ready to get ready for the day. I just made myself a cup of coffee. I will show you which one I use. Same as last time, I use the donut shop coffee from Walmart. And I put 1 sweet and low in it. That's all I've been doing. I think I said that in my last what I eat in a day video, that I've just been using like 1 sweet and low or 2 stevias because they're not as, you know, strong. I'm just gonna sit here and drink the rest of my coffee while I get ready for the day, and I will check in with you guys once it's breakfast time. Okay, so I just sat down to eat breakfast. I'm gonna spend the next 5-ish minutes or so eating breakfast. What I have for breakfast is this here. This is a chocolate yogurt parfait. I actually bought this from one of our local meal prep places. I tend to go there only to buy like desserty type things or like these parfaits. They have the best peanut butter protein balls in the entire world, and to me it's worth it to just go buy them already made because it's like somebody else prepping your food for you instead of going and buying all of the ingredients to make peanut butter protein balls, because number 1, that'd be crazy expensive. Number 2, that's a lot of work that I don't want to have to do. So I always go there to get stuff like that. Even like they make like banana nut protein muffins and stuff like that. I usually go just for that. So this is the chocolate yogurt parfait. You can see the list of ingredients there. And then this is what we got going on macros wise. It is 290 calories, which is really the only thing I count. So I will go ahead and eat this and then mark it down in my FitnessPal. If you guys are in the Stockton, Lodi, Modesto, Turlock area, Valley meal prep, that's the way to do it, let me tell you. It's so good. I've noticed though with their meals, they're really good. They're just like, I feel like I could make that same meal for way less calories. So I tend to just like meal prep actual meals on my own for like way less calories. I don't know, just something I've learned. I used to get their meals all the time, but then I realized that seems like a little bit too high calorie wise when I could make that same thing for like half the calories. So in this is just chocolate yogurt, granola, and blueberries. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell, but I only ate about 2/3 of it. So there's still a third left. I don't even think I'm really gonna save this because it actually says it expires today. I am gonna save the jar, however, to make like overnight oats, or I'll make like a parfait here at home using this jar. That's the thing about Valley Meal Prep that I love, is that you can reuse their containers. So I'm only going to log in my FitnessPal that I ate 2/3 of this. I kind of forgot when I bought these that I'm not huge on sweets for breakfast, so I can't usually just sit down and eat like an entire fruit and yogurt parfait or an entire batch of protein pancakes. It's just too much like sweetness for me. I'd rather just drink a protein shake or have like eggs and bacon, you know what I mean? So, but it was super, super good. I just need to peel off this label, rinse this out, put it in the dishwasher, and I'll have it for next time. For a snack, I decided to have half a serving of these pretzels for 55 calories, along with a reduced fat string cheese. I love this snack. It's super simple and it's only 105 calories in total. So it is 12 o'clock right now and I am starving. It is lunchtime and I am just having leftovers from what we ate for dinner last night. Some mixed vegetables, some steak that will definitely get more cooked than that once I microwave it, and then some little mini roasted potatoes underneath. Okay, so I just sat down for lunch and I just heated up what I just showed you, obviously. And I put a little bit of sriracha sauce on the vegetables. I put this, where's my phone? Into my FitnessPal. And the mixed veggies for 1 cup is 50 calories. The small amount of potatoes that I have kind of just guessed. I did not weigh this out this morning because I was in a rush, but I put that it's probably about 120 calories. And then the New York steak, I did 4 ounces of that, and that was 220-ish calories. And then Carlos made the steak last night, and he did use a little bit of butter in a cast iron skillet. So I put a little pat of butter, it says 36 calories on here. So grand total for lunch today is 427 calories. Not bad. I still have 878 calories left for the day, which is great. This is what the little potatoes look like. We bought those mini potatoes and then cut them in half and put them on a sheet pan with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. We baked them at, oh shoot, I just dropped that one. We baked them at 400 degrees for maybe 10-15 minutes, I want to say. And they came out delicious. If I was making this steak, I probably wouldn't have used butter, but I mean, come on. Hello, hello, I am back. My mom made deviled eggs, and I dabbled in one, you know. Half of an egg, actually, technically. I'm not exactly sure how many calories that would be. I know a full egg is 70 calories, but then again, although it's half, there was added stuff such as mustard, mayo, and a little bit of olives. But since I only had half of one, I might just, like, half of an egg is 35 calories, so I might just say the rest of the stuff inside was another 35. I might just call it a full 70. I don't know. I'm gonna do some research and look online to see how many calories a deviled egg is, and I will put that up on the screen somewhere with whatever I found. I'm actually gonna ask my mom what she used in it, because she may have not put mayo. I don't know. Anyway, I will have it up on the screen so you guys will know, but I forgot to film it. I just saw those deviled eggs and I slipped one right past these lips without you guys knowing. So I thought I'd get on screen and let you guys know. I in fact had a deviled egg, and it was delicious. All right, I just got home from work. I changed into my workout pants and my sports bra, and I'm about to go put my shirt on. But I wanted to show you guys what I'm about to drink. I just picked this up from Costco. This is the Amino Energy in the flavor Juicy Strawberry Burst. I've actually been wanting to try this stuff for a while because it's supposed to help with muscle recovery. It's caffeine from natural sources, so it's supposed to boost energy and help with pretty much building muscle. I read some stuff online and it looked pretty good. It can be used as a pre-workout, post-workout, an afternoon pick-me-up, or a morning wake-me-up. So I'm putting 2 scoops of this into some water and I'm gonna drink that. I'm working out in about 45 minutes. So I'm working out at 4 and it is 3:15 right now. So let's go ahead and do that. I just really want to try this stuff out to see if it actually boosts energy, because when I work out, especially in the afternoon, I have 0 energy. It's hot. Oh my god, I made a mess. It's just so hot and I'm usually just exhausted from the day, so I have 0 energy. I actually want to try this out on camera. Oh my god, it smells so good. I watched somebody else with this same stuff last night on YouTube. She was using this as a pre-workout and she said it tastes kind of like a pink Starburst, which are my favorite Starburst. It smells exactly like a pink Starburst. You guys, that's so good. See, now this I could drink every single day. That tastes so good. Like, I've tried other pre-workouts. One of them was so sour, like it gave me acid reflux so bad. So I was in pain for my entire workout. So I'm praying this one doesn't do that, but the taste is bomb. I just used like lukewarm water, which I shouldn't have done. I should have just used cold water. It would have been way better. Wow. Like I said, I just bought this from Costco, and this is the 62 serving pack, and it was $29.94 or something random like that, so $30 pretty much. At GNC, they have one that is, I think, 30 servings, so it's half the size, and it's $22. So you may as well just pay the extra 8 and get twice as much. I love Costco for that. Costco always has the best deals. So if you are just wanting to say try it out and you're not sure, Costco is also really good about returning as well. So you definitely get more bang for your buck at Costco, and their return policy is on point. So I'm just going to finish this up. I'm gonna go work out from 4 to 5, and then when I come home, I will show you guys what I am eating for dinner. So I'm meeting my sister at 4 o'clock to go work out, and I really want her to try this, so I'm legit putting 2 scoops in a little container for her so that she can try it when she gets home, because I know she's gonna love it. I forgot to mention also, God, this stuff is messy, let me tell you. I forgot to mention that 2 scoops of this is 10 calories, which is like nothing. But I figured I would go ahead and mention that. So I just got home from my workout and I am starving, but I also need to take a shower. So I am going to prep my chicken and have it be cooking in the oven while I take a shower. So I wanted to show you guys how I've been prepping my chicken lately. I just get 2 chicken breasts. I get those from Costco, and I put 3 seasonings on it. I put a little bit of this Cajun seasoning. I put just regular black pepper, and I also put a little bit of garlic salt. So I'll usually just put all 3 of these seasonings on both sides of the chicken, kind of pat it in a little bit, and then bake it at 375 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Like right now, I'm thinking for dinner I want a grilled chicken salad, but I'm not sure. It's good for just regular grilled chicken and veggies. It's good for if you're making like quesadillas or enchiladas. It's good for it all. So just gonna season these up. I tend to season it a lot because the juices as it cooks kind of like washes away some of the seasoning almost. So plus it's a thicker slab of meat, so that's what I do. That is what that looks like, and then I just put it in the oven like I said, and it comes out perfect. There's nothing I hate more than dry chicken. Like, it just disgusts me. So I've noticed that doing it this way at 375 for like 20 to 25 minutes, the chicken comes out like so juicy. It comes out perfect. So once the oven is all preheated and ready to go, I will pop that bad boy in. My light is out. I need to get a new light bulb. I just got out of the shower and I'm ready to make this salad. I am starving. The first thing I'm putting in it is this spring mix, and I don't really measure lettuce out at all. I just put a couple handfuls in my bowl, and then I'm a weirdo. I chop up my lettuce. I hate like full pieces of lettuce. I know, weird, but that's just how I am. So I'll take a couple handfuls, put it in my bowl. I just use a pair of scissors that I've designated for food. Probably not ideal, but I don't know where my actual kitchen scissors went, so this will have to do. So I just go and I really make sure it's all chopped up. I like my salads to be like chopped salads where everything is really finely chopped and there's a bunch of toppings. So we have our lettuce here. And then to that, I'm adding about a handful of diced strawberries. I'm also adding about a handful of diced up cherry tomatoes. And then I'm going to, of course, add my grilled chicken that we just made. I did 5 ounces of chicken. And then I'm gonna add, let's see, this is 80 calories for 1/4 of a cup of dry blue cheese. This is reduced fat, so I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of this. And then for dressing, I'm just using this dressing from Panera. This is the poppy seed dressing. I love this stuff. It's so good, and it is only 25 calories for 2 tablespoons. So it's delicious. So I'll probably honestly do 4 tablespoons for this size salad. This is what the salad looks like before I put the dressing on it. It's so good. I know I put like random things on my salad, but I like it like that. So I'm gonna enjoy the salad, and I will check back in with you if I eat something sweet after dinner. It's been about 20-30 minutes since I ate dinner, and for dessert I'm having this Fiber One oatmeal raisin soft baked cookie. They are so good. They're only 120 calories, and I prefer the oatmeal ones over the chocolate chip ones, honestly. They're so good. I mean, I've never looked more like a hot mess in my entire life. So it is 7:30 right now, and I laid in bed because I'm exhausted. And I just ate that cookie, and I don't want to eat anything else for the night, so I'm just gonna go to bed. That's like my #1 tip. When you have no more calories left, or you just don't want to eat anymore, just go to bed. That's all. That's all it takes. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.